Now we are going to see whether the given number is a prime number or not. Okay, what is a prime number? A number has got only two factors. Which are those factors? 1 and the number itself. So we have to write one program for checking whether the given number is prime number. Before we begin the logic of this one, I would like to teach two jump statements in Java. They are the break statement as well as the continue statement. Okay, the break statement is used previously in the switch statement. Do you remember? The break was used for avoiding the for loop. To jump out of the switch statement, immediately we used the break. So, in order to come out of a for loop, while loop or do while loop or the switch statement, we can have a break statement. Break is an unconditional transfer of control statement, or we say jump statement. Okay, it is an unconditional transfer of control. The moment we see the break, the enclosed for loop or the switch statement will be terminated and we will come out. Okay, and what is continue, that we will see in the later session. First of all, I am going to write a program which is inputting a number and checking whether it is prime or not. Okay, see, since we are inputting the number, import is required. Import java.util.start. Start with import java.util.start. Alright, after that you may write class prime. Okay, we get the class prime. After that, declare all the variables which are required. We want int n, the number which is to be checked whether it is prime or not. I for the looping, and I am giving one variable cnd which is equal to 0. Okay, now void main. Since we have to input the number, we are giving scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. After that, we are giving the message SOPLN and number. Okay, now n is equal to sc dot next statement. This is a statement we have already seen. Now we give the formula for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, we give if n modulus I is equal to 0, then we will say what? Count plus plus. Alright, when this if is over, as soon as the for loop is over, we will give a statement. If the count is equal to 2 exactly, then we will say that SOPLN, it is prime. Otherwise, we will say else SOPLN not prime. If factors are more than 2, that number is not a prime number, we know. Okay, we just assume that we entered a number 72. I equal to 1. From 1 to 72, the loop will run. Okay, if n modulus I, what is n? N is 72. What is I? 1. 72 divided by 1 Is it equal to 0? Yes. So what happens? The count which was 0 became as 1. The loop will be updated. What is the value of I? I became 2 now. Checking the condition. Whether 2 is less than 72. 2 is less than 72 condition is true. Coming to the body. If 72 divided by I, 72 divided by 2 equal to 0. Yes. Condition is true. Count became 2. Again it is incremented. I became 3. Checking whether 3 less than 72. Yes, condition true. Checking 72 can be divided by 3. Yes. Again what will happen? Count will become as 3. I will become as 4. 4 less than 72 is true. Condition true. Again it is checking whether 72 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Yes, the count will become as 4. The loop will run from where? From the 1 to 72. That is, the loop is running how many times? 72 times. When this 72 times iteration is over, we come to next statement. That means the moment the I goes above 72, the condition becomes false. We are jumping out of this loop and going to this. There we are checking, is count equal to 2? What is the count? It is already 4. When more factors will come, the count will slowly goes on incrementing. Now this statement is not true. What will happen? Else part will print it is not prime. Already 72 is not a prime number. So what happened? This program is running too many times. It takes more time for the execution. More number of iterations are happening. So I won't prefer this logic. Reason is unnecessarily loop has run 72 times. Suppose if the given number is 7200, what will happen? The loop has to run 7200 times. So this logic is not to be followed. We may have this logic in certain books, but don't follow it. We will go for a better logic which I am going to write now.